Welcome to all viewers. Myself, Avinu Tripathi, working as a HOD in Sri Rawatpura Sarkar Group of Institution, RE Jhansi, and today we are discuss about digestive disorder. First one is anorexia. In the case of anorexia, lack of appetite could be from emotional or physical factors. Lab test may be done to assess nutritional status, and medical treatment is supplements may be ordered or internal feedings. Nursing intervention is oral hygiene, clean room, determine causes of nausea and treat, include family and friends socialization, respect like and dislike education. So that is about anorexia. And second disorder is stomatitis. Stomatitis, inflammation of the oral mucosa, it means mouth. Causes is trauma, organism, irritants, nutritional deficiency, disease, and chemotherapy. Treatment is pain relief, removal of causative factor, oral hygiene, medications, soft blend diet. Next disorder is gingivitis. In the case of gingivitis disorder, inflammation of the gums and causes is poor oral hygiene, poorly fitting dentures, nutritional deficiency, etc. And the treatment is dental hygiene, prevention of complication. That is about gingivitis. And next disorder is herpes simplex type 1st. In the case of herpes simplex type 1st, affecting the lips and mucous membrane of the mouth, causes is herpes simplex virus. Treatment is antiviral medication like Jovirex, analgesic, symptomatic relief. Nursing intervention is administration medicines, keep lessons dry, provide symptomatic relief in the case of herpes simplex type 1st disorder in the alimentary canal. Next disorder is esophagitis. In the case of esophagitis, inflammation or irritation of the esophagus, causes is reflexes of stomach contents, irritants, fungal infection, trauma, malignancy, and intubations. Treatment is treat underlying cause. Intervention is soft blend diet, administration medicines, elevate HOV, observe for complication. Next disorder is nausea and vomiting. In the case of nausea and vomiting, so first discuss about nausea. Unpleasant sensation usually preceding vomiting, may have abdominal pain, pallor, sweating, and clammy skin. Causes is eating food, infection, radiation, drugs, hormonal changes, surgery, inner ear disorder, distension of the GIT tract. So these are the causes of nausea. And second is discuss about vomiting. In the case of vomiting, forceful expulsion of stomach content through the mouth occurs when vomiting reflex in the brain is stimulated. Projectile vomiting is forceful ejection of stomach contents. Regurgitation means gentle ejection of stomach contents without nausea or retching. Complication and various treatment for the GIT disorder. So now we discuss about disorder is oral cancer. First one is malignant lesions may develop on the lips, oral cavity, tongue, and pharynx region. Generally squamous cell carcinomas. Causes is high alcohol consumption, tobacco use, external irritants, and many more. Diagnosis is biopsy, treatment is surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy, depend on the size and location and the lesion. Intervention consult MD for special mouth care, monitor respiratory status, keep HOV elevated, administer pain med, access ability to swallow and talk, access for infection at incision site, educations. Next disorder is leukoplakia. In the case of leukoplakia, abnormal thickening and whitening of the epithelium of the mucous membrane of the cheeks and tongue causes is chronic irritation, and the treatment is maybe surgically removed or treated with chemotherapy. Meticulous oral hygiene intervention is access mouth frequently, assist with oral hygiene, discuss removal of sources of irritation. In the case of stomach cancer, rare 25,000 a year, common in males, African American over 70s and low socio-economic status, 60% decrease in past 40 years. Late status, liver enlargement, abdominal mass made to be worn and lung, 10% survival rate after 5 years. Risk factor is in the case of stomach disorder, pernicious anemia, chronic gastritis, cigarette smoking, diet, height in starch, salted meat, pickled foods and nitrates. Treatment is surgery, chemotherapy, radiation and subtotal gastrotomy, total gastrotomy in the case of stomach. In the case of peptic ulcer, loss of tissue from the lining of the digestive tract may be acute or chronic, classified as gastric or duodenal stage, developed 24 to 48 hours after event. Causes is drugs, stress, heavy alcohol and tobacco use, infection, condition that cause high gastric acid concentration. So this is discussed about peptic ulcer. So these are the disorder of stomach cancer, and these are the disorder of all the about alimentary canal digestive system. Thank you so much.